Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us find the perimeter of the triangle below. Let us name our triangle as triangle A, B, C. Triangle A, B, C is isosceles triangle. They have shown to us by using this symbol, that is distance AB is equal to distance AC. By definition, perimeter is the total distance around this triangle, that is distance AB plus distance BC plus distance CA. From our triangle, we can see that they have given to us only distance BC, but distance AB and AC they gave us in terms of expressions. Perimeter is equal to distance AB plus distance BC plus distance AC. First, let us find the value of x so as we can get distance AB and distance AC. We know distance AB is equal to distance AC. The reason behind this is isosceles triangle. 20 minus 3x, this is equal to distance AC, which is equal to 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Let us find the value of x. I'm going to bring minus 3x to the right hand side and minus 1 to the left hand side. That is going to be 20 plus 1. This is equal to 4x plus 3x. This will give us 21 is equal to 7x divided by 7, divided by 7, by 7, 1, by 7, 1, by 7, I get 1, by 7, it is 3. The value of x is equal to 3. But we know distance AC is given by expression 4x minus 1. We get x is equal to 3. I'm going to substitute to expression. AC is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 minus 1. That is going to give me AC is equal to 12 minus 1. That is AC is equal to 11. This is centimeter. We know distance AC is equal to distance AB. So distance AB also is going to be 11 centimeter. Let us look if it's going to give us 11 centimeter. AB, this is equal to expression 20 minus 3x, but we know x is equal to 3. Let us substitute it. That is going to be 20 minus 3 multiplied by 3. That is equal to 20 minus 9. It will give us distance AB. This is equal to also 11 centimeter. As we say, our perimeter is equal to distance AB, that is AB, plus distance BC, which is BC. We add by distance AC. AC. We know distance AB and distance AC is equal to 11. So let's find our perimeter now. Our perimeter is equal to 11 plus 14 plus 11 again. This will give us perimeter is equal to 36 centimeter. I hope you understand to find the perimeter of this triangle. First, we find the value of x by comparing distance AB and distance AC. Getting the value of x, we substitute back to our expression and get our distance AB and AC. They are equal to 11. At last, we take 11 plus 14 plus 11 to get our perimeter. For more video about perimeter and area of different figure, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.